Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to work out on one problem which is normally given in service-based companies. So the same question is repeated many times in different forms. So that is nothing but reversing vowels in the given string. We have to reverse only the vowels and remaining characters should be maintained or should be kept intact. That means we should not disturb them. Let us take one example. S equal to USA, USA. So this could be lowercase or this could be uppercase. Okay, USA. So the output of this should be A, S, U. So here we have reversed vowels. In this case, there are only vowels and only one other character. So we cannot see much difference. Let me take another string. S equal to auspicious. Okay. So what are the vowels here? Vowels are nothing but A, U, I, O, U. So these are to be reversed. Remaining characters are to be kept in the same positions. The output of this will be U comes into the place of A. U, this goes to A. Now U comes to the place of O and O comes here. S is not vowel, it will be kept as it is. P is not vowel, it will be kept as it is. I is vowel. This I will go into the place of this I and this I comes here. So remaining characters are kept as it is. Now the output becomes U, O, S, P, I, C, I, U, A, S. So this is the output. Okay. So this is what we have to produce through the program. Now, if we try to code this one, we can do it with the help of two approaches. So the first approach is dissection and connection. So don't worry, this is not a standard method. So this is named by me actually. So this is coined by me. So just to make it funny and reach to the students, I named this method like dissection and connection. This is one method, and the other method is using two-pointer technique. So two-pointer technique might be familiar to you. So here I will discuss just to suit this problem, and in other videos I will completely focus on two-pointer technique, and then I will draw several examples that can be covered using two-pointer technique. Okay. So this is the problem I am going to consider. So what is the problem? Reversing vowels of a string, of the given string. One example we have taken is USA. If USA is given, that should be converted to ASU. What we have done here, only the vowels are reversed. And another example that I considered is auspicious. So here vowels are taken, they are reversed, and the output produced is UOSPICIUAS. Then to achieve this output, we can follow any of these two approaches. The first one is dissection and connection. Second one is two-pointer technique. Okay, so let us write code for the mentioned methods here. First I will write code for dissection and connection, then I will talk about two-pointer technique. So let us quickly write the code. So the first one, reversing the vowels in the string using dissection and connection method. Okay, let me consider yes. I can read yes from the user. Then according to this dissection and connection, dissection means cut all the vowels from the string, put them aside, then reverse them. Then take the original string and whenever you find vowel, draw one vowel from the vowel string and attach it. So that is the logic here. So what is the logic? Let me explain. What is the logic in this dissection and connection method? First one, separate vowels. Second one, separate vowels into a string. Second point, reverse vowels string. Third point, loop through original string and whenever a vowel is found, whenever a vowel is found, draw a vowel from vowels string and attach to original string. Attached to, we cannot attach to original string. Why? Because strings are immutable and we cannot change. Attach to result string. If it is not vowel, the same character will be attached. So finally display, print result. Okay, these are the 4 steps we must follow for this dissection and connection method. Separate the vowels into one string by name vowels string. Then reverse the vowel string. Loop through the original string and whenever a vowel is found in the original string, draw a character from the vowel string and attach it to the result. Okay, let us do this. Let me take vowels string. Yes, vowels equal to empty first of all. Then for I in yes, for I in yes, for each and every character in yes, if I in A E I O U, A E I O U, if it is in vowels either lowercase or uppercase, then add it to yes vowels plus I. Then reverse this yes vowels, keep it aside. Now this dissection is over. Now we have to work on connection. So for this one, take one result string. Initially that is assumed as empty one. Then loop through original string for I in yes. For I in yes, or shall I consider yeah, for I in yes, no problem. I will consider one more variable j. I will let you know what is the purpose of this j now. For I in yes, that means for each and every character in yes, if I dot is alpha, sorry, not is alpha, if I in vowels, A E I O U, A E I O U, if that I is a vowel, then what is to be done? The corresponding character from this S vowels is to be drawn and added to result. RES is RES plus S vowels of J. J will be incremented by 1. Else the same I will go to result. RES equal to RES plus I. This is called connection. This process is connection. So the earlier for loop, the first for loop is for dissection, second for loop is used for connection. Okay. So now if we print result, print RES, we must get the string in which the vowels are reversed. So let us try this one. Let us run the code. Yeah. Let me give the string as USA. What is the output we have got? ASU. It is working fine. Now let me run this one again and let me give auspicious. Yes, it is working as per the expectation. Very good. So this is the first method. Okay. Now let us work on second method. Second method is two pointer technique. Two pointer technique. So what is this two pointer technique? According to two pointer technique,